Hi, I'm Blaine Deeter, Director of Sales and Marketing for Bulldog Battery.
Hi, I am McKnight, Director of Motive Power with Flow-Rite Controls.
Today we'll be discussing the importance of watering your battery.
And we are going to use a Flow-Rite watering system to put water in this Bulldog battery.
So Rob, what's the importance of using a Flow-Rite water kit when you water your Bulldog battery?
That's a good question. So there are several reasons that you would use a watering system. One is the ROI. You have time. It could take up to 20 minutes to water a battery if you just hand water it. And with our system, you can water a battery in under a minute, up to a minute. The other thing is the safety. You don't have water splashing. It's all enclosed. The water is going into the battery. You don't have any acid or electrolytes popping out. And it's also going to extend the life of the battery. Your Bulldog battery is going to last you longer. It's going to give you better production in the facilities where you have it.
Rob brings up a great point. It is very important to water your battery. Battery maintenance is very important for the longevity of our batteries. Equalization weekly, watering on a schedule. Now, Bulldog batteries, along with Flow-Rite, do carry a 5-year warranty. So if you were to have any issues with your battery, contact us and we will get you taken care of. So Rob, can you kind of tell us a little more about the Flow-Rite watering systems?
Yeah. So with Flow-Rite, we basically work on two premises. We work on flow and we work on pressure. So we work from 3 to 35 psi, and our flow is 2 to 5 gallons. And the way that we measure flow is we do a bucket test. So you have a phone, right?
I do.
What I'm going to do is we've got a 5-gallon bucket that I am going to have you time me for 1 minute, and as long as it gets between 2 and 5 gallons, then our flow is correct. So we hit the Purger, we put it in, and we just let it go. And what we'll do is we'll just wait for it to go up to the minute. Once it gets to a minute, tell me, and we'll stop and see where our water is.
Okay.
Okay? All righty. So what you can see is, after it's filled up, and I don't know, it's about 4.5 gallons, so your water pressure and your water flow is good. The other thing is we have a Purger, so the first time that you go to water your batteries during the day, we always say to purge it, just like we did with the bucket test. That way it gets out any air and you don't have any air hammer type effect, so that you're getting a clean flow through your batteries.
So Rob, is the quality of water important when we water our batteries?
Yes, that's a good question. So the water quality does matter, and one of the ways that we measure the water quality at Flow-Rite is we have a tool, a TDS meter, total dissolved solids, that helps tell you where your water quality is. You wouldn't happen to have one, would you?
I actually do, Rob.
Well, looky there. So what we do is when we measure or when we look at the water, it's a digital scale that just goes from 0 to 999. Anything that goes 100 or above, we require a deionizer, and that kind of filters out the impurities in the water. So we just take a simple reading, and right now you're at 38, so your water's good to go, and we would just put the water straight in. If it was above that, we would use a deionizer.